I'm going to give you a quick showcase on how to use your Epson Stylus, which is right over here, as well as your Chromebook, and make it interactive with your whiteboard while you are casting. You will need one other piece of hardware, which is a USB cord, and I'll show you what it looks like. One end looks like this, that plugs into your USB, which I'm going to put on my Chromebook. The other end looks like this, if you can see that, there you go, and that goes into the USB section of your wall mount. So now I have the device this is only if you want to annotate, by the way, but I have the device connected with the cord. I am going to go to the room and cast my screen. And now I'm casting. I'm going to grab the stylus, and sorry, I'm going to try and do this one-handed, but I can tell that I have battery because it's lighting up on me. If I use the stylus, I can choose colors because I'm in annotation mode, and if I wanted to highlight something on the screen, change the color if I wanted to. You can show kids whatever it is you need to do. If you need to erase, you can, you can select right there, and it's asking, I'm going to delete all annotations. Do you want to continue? Yes, I do. And the annotations go away. What if you want to use this as a mouse? And you go over to where it looks like the projector with the stylus. You change it to a computer with the mouse. And now it says PC Interactive. So I'm going to look at my tabs. I have tabs up at the top, taking my stylus, and I am able to click on tabs. If I wanted to go to the Tech Help Desk ticket, we can click on it. It will populate and load in a new tab. If we have a video we want to showcase, just like you would do on your computer, except I'm standing up in the front of the room, and the video will start playing. Helps if I turn the audio on. And for those of you that teach with multiple periods, if you have multiple desks open, you can, this might be, let's say, first period with a group of tabs. Sorry, I'm gonna pause this. So if this is my first period group of tabs, I can go down to my Chromebook desk, and I've already preset period 2, period 3. So if I hit period 2, and this is my group of tabs now for second period, and if I want to start with this video, make sure the audio's on. It'll populate and it'll play. And if there's stuff that you want to annotate again, you can switch back from the mouse, go back to the stylus, pull out your dock of choices, and if I wanted to circle something or draw an arrow to it, I can annotate directly on the screen. If you have any questions or problems with this, please let me know. Most of you have this cord, but if you need those, we can get them for you too. Thanks. Have a good day.